Are you having trouble opening the Telegram app on your PC after a recent update? Don't worry. We've got you covered with some simple troubleshooting steps to get you back on track. First, let's start with the basics. Check your internet connection. A stable connection is essential for the app to function properly. If you're connected to Wi-Fi, try opening a web page to ensure it's working. If not, restart your router or switch to a mobile data connection for a quick test. If your internet is fine, the next step is to close the app completely, then reopen it. Sometimes apps just need a quick reset to function correctly again. Still having issues? Log out of your Telegram desktop account and log back in. This can help refresh your session and might resolve any hiccups caused by the update. Sometimes the old saying holds true. Have you tried turning it off and on again? Restarting your device can often do wonders. Simply turn off your PC, wait for about 30 seconds, and then power it back on. If you're still facing problems, consider connecting to a different network. If you're on Wi-Fi, try switching to a mobile hotspot or vice versa. A different connection can sometimes make all the difference. Finally, if none of these steps resolve your issue, it may be time to reach out to Telegram support. They can offer more personalized assistance and help you troubleshoot any remaining issues. By following these steps, you should be well on your way to fixing Telegram on your PC. Happy messaging!